Ever wonder how we went from carving on stone to storing photos in the cloud? Let's dive in.
Just think about it. Where do you keep all your stuff? Probably a mix of everywhere, right?
Our digital world is so new. So how do we get here? Let's trace the journey.
We're going to take a quick trip through time, from actual rocks to the invisible cloud.
For thousands of years, storing info was, well, heavy lifting, literally. Think stone and clay.
Sure, it was permanent, but it wasn't exactly easy to carry around or share.
Then came a total game changer, paper. This led to books and massive libraries. The difference was night and day. Suddenly, knowledge could travel anywhere. The 20th century sparked a revolution, storing data with magnetism on tapes and disks. This was huge. For the first time, machines could read our data, changing everything.
And get this, a floppy disk held less than a single one of your photos today.
Next up, we started using lasers, beams of light to read and write information.
This meant we could finally store whole music albums and full-length movies on disks.
You know the deal. CDs were perfect for your songs, and DVDs were for movies.
And today, we're in the era of flash memory. The cool part? No moving parts.
Because there are no moving parts, it's way faster, smaller, and a lot more durable.
You're using it right now. It's inside your phone, your camera, and your computer.
So where's most of our data going these days? Up into the big invisible cloud.
Basically, your files aren't just on your device. They're everywhere, accessible from anywhere. So you can see the trend, right? Smaller, faster, and way, way bigger capacity.
But this journey is far from over. Scientists are already cooking up what's next.
We're talking about some wild stuff like storing data in DNA or even holograms.
We're heading for limitless storage. The only real question is, what will we create with it?